Hi there. I'm transferring the domain maximinternational.com.au. It's been set up. The files are done with the WordPress plugin to transfer the files. I'm now doing the DNS. So I've got the IP address here and I've got the name servers here, which the only way that I've started a new company, the only way that I can access, there's about 50 websites, is via WHM. And then going into the what's it called, the I think edit zones, where is it? Yeah, edit DNS zone. So in here it's kind of like the raw DNS data, and I've done a quick tutorial. It said to change the serial number, so it's the date 2019, the month, the day, the hour, and that will get it refreshed. So I've now entered in the name server in here, so 1 and 2. There was 3 with the old server, so I don't know if I should just delete that and just leave that blank. If you could let me know. So this is the new IP address for SiteGround here for the A. Now FTP A. So I suppose I changed this IP address as well. If you could let me know. And then there's a whole lot of A's here as well. So, and the first one is WHM. So do I put the IP address into each one of these, the SiteGround IP address? And then I'm not changing mail, so MX is fine. Yeah, that's kind of it. That's my question, I suppose. And then will that work once I then click save? If you could let me know, that'd be great. Thanks. Cheers.